Hello, Simon Koštrica. How are you?
Not too bad, yourself?
Yeah, I'm going great. Hey, Simon, you thoroughly enjoy playing the accordion, and you are very good at it.
Thank you very much, yes.
When did you start playing the accordion?
I would say I started playing the accordion when I was around the age of 6. My grandpa first bought me my small 12-bass accordion, and I sort of worked my way up.
And how old are you now?
I'm 15, turning 16 next month.
Yeah. And where do you live?
I live in Canberra.
Okay. Why did you choose the accordion?
That's a very good question. A lot of people ask me this, but I honestly believe that I had a sort of connection to the accordion because I started off playing piano, and I didn't really like it, and I saw a lot of Slovenian bands that came to Canberra, and I just decided to start playing it and see how we go, and I ended up enjoying it. So we ended up getting more accordions and decided to play a bit more and more.
Do you go to music lessons?
I used to, yes I did, but now I teach, and now I learn myself from notes.
Do you teach?
Yeah, I do, yeah.
Oh, okay. Who do you teach?
Infants, I got 2 students that are older than me, around the 30s mark. But yeah, beginners and sort of intermediate sort of style, but yeah. Still learning, but...
Simon, you play the diatonic and the piano accordion. Which one did you start first?
I started playing the piano accordion first for 3 years, I believe it was, and then my grandpa gave me a surprise when he went to Europe. He came back with the diatonic harmonica, which is a button box, and he gave me a good surprise and started learning off that. I don't know notes on it yet, but still learning off by ear, which is good.
How easy or hard do you find playing the two, switching between the one and the other?
Oh, well, I guess it comes down to practice. If you practice a lot, it's not too hard, but it can get quite difficult because, of course, the piano accordion is much heavier and the keyboard's much wider, so you have to go, a lot further down the keyboard, up and down, which is hard. But on the button accordion, you've got everything so close to you, which is good. It's not that heavy either, so very good. What
type of music do you enjoy playing?
My main sort of repertoire would include polkas and waltzes. Still learning some other types of music, which would be jazz, tangos sort of style, but yeah, mainly polkas and waltzes.
That's Slovenian?
Yeah, Slovenian traditional, German as well, and Austrian.
Do you have a favourite music band?
I'd have to say Avsenik and Slak were my favourite. Well, Slak recently passed away, but yeah, it has a lot of good songs, but Avsenik would be a big sort of inspiration, and Slak would be as well. Do
you have a favourite song that you like to play?
Favourite song? On the button box, I'd have to say Na autocesti or Od vasi do vasi. On the piano accordion, I really like Kmetec praznuje, Na Golici, of course, Na Robleku, a lot of other songs which the names are in the back of my head, but yeah.
Okay, that's great. You have been to the Avsenik music workshop in Slovenia, is that right?
Yeah.
When did you go and how did you find it?
I went 2 years ago and found it amazing. It was a sort of I would say once in a lifetime sort of thing, but of course I'd go more often, but it felt like once in a lifetime thing because I had other accordion players that I've never played with before, because here in Australia it's very rare that you would find another accordion player that you could sort of play with, but there's so many, and such a big sort of variety of stuff. You got the actual proper band. When I played there for the last day, I got the privilege to play with a clarinet, a trumpet, a guitarist, singers, vocals.
Yeah,
a lot of stuff, and it's a big privilege there.
That would have been really good, huh?
Yeah, and some of the best teachers in the world as well.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's really good.
Yep. So would you like to go again?
I'd love to, yeah. Hopefully next year I'll be able to go. This year was kind of hard because I had all my exams going on when actual camp was taking place. But unfortunately I couldn't go this year, but hopefully I'll go next year.
Yeah. What types of places do you play the accordion at?
I do have, I'm very lucky to have work with the accordion. I play at the tradies 3 hours on a Monday, which is very good. I did a bit of busking, I still do, time to time, which is very good, it's very helpful. Where I play at the clubs quite often, sometimes I have a gig here and there, but mainly I'm practicing still, so when I get a bit older I'll be able to have gigs.
So that is Slovenian club?
Yeah, Slovenian club, yeah. I've played at the German club before. I think I've played at the Austrian club. I've played at the Multicultural Festival. And I also played at the Tigers club, which was in front of 7,000 people once in a parade in Sydney, which was very cool.
Yeah. What would you like to do with your music? For example, establish a band, or what would you like to do?
Of course, it's very hard with music because you never know. 1 month could be very good with music, the other you could have no gigs or anything. So I was sort of thinking on the side of having a job and having the accordion here and there where I'd practice, and hopefully one day I'd have a band. So on a couple of weekends we could go up and do some sort of gigs and stuff. But I'd love to, mainly my whole idea of playing the accordion would be to have like a band sort of thing going, a proper traditional sort of folk band which plays polkas, walczyks. We could play jazz and stuff, which would be pretty cool.
Simon, we wish you all the best in your future music endeavours. Thank you
very much.